Hey guys, this is me again, Denis, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're about to film that beauty at 168 Fiesta Way in Fort Lauderdale. Let's go. That property consists of 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 10,800 square feet lot, 4,700 square feet AC, 2-car garage, and many more. Let's go and see the first floor. Let's start from the media room. But while we're going there, guys, take a look at that ceiling height. It's probably around, I would say like 24. Yeah, I would say, yeah, 24. And that fireplace, by the way, some people they do enjoy fireplace, some people they do not. And it's all personal preferences, but I can tell you it looks really good in that design. And it's good that owners decide to keep it. Since the original structure is 1994 and it's been got renovated, everything, as you can see, is brand new. Flooring, panels, kitchen, I'll show you later. This media room, everything, by the way, controlled from the smart home. Ta-da! So you can control anything. You can control music, lighting, TVs, going up, down. You can control shades, blinds. So pretty much everything that's electronic, you can use it from your iPad. That room, by the way, that room as well can be a bedroom since it has a full bathroom and suite. Lots of natural lights. Right now we're about, I think, what time it is, Mike? It's 4:30 p.m. So it's about sunset, but still we have a lot of natural light. Personally, I do like when there's lots of lights in the house, condo, but it's all personal preferences. But I can tell you from my experience, most of the people, they do enjoy lots of lighting in the house. So as you can see, guys, everything is finished and very well decorated. Kitchen is thermador, beautiful color panels, dark side of the stone. I like that combination of the dark kitchen islands, I would say even black kitchen islands, and dark brown oaky wood. Double door fridge, fully equipped kitchen, and this we have secret door, as you can see, and it leads to another room that has full bathroom right here, and it could be your maid room or it could be one of the kids' room. They can hide out in here. Let's go. You have your formal dining table, 10 persons, as well. You have a small kitchen table where you can have breakfast, lunch, and here you can have your family gatherings. You can put, you can add a couple more chairs if you have a big families. And it's very convenient. It's right behind the kitchen. Sometimes you can see it looks good on the picture, but in reality, when you use something, like for example, as I said, dining table can be far away from the kitchen. And if you want to cook something, you're not going to go back and forth. I mean, you will if you don't have a choice and you bought place with something like that. So let's go to the second floor. By the way, on the first floor as well, we have 2-car garage. Here as well, all floor was finished. It's a wood floor. We have bedrooms on this side as well, and we have extra bedroom on that side. Washer and dryer room. One of your kids' room will be here. Let's go and let's take a look at the master bedroom. It must, in these days, you need lots of closet space. Great views from the master bedroom. It faces canal and it has your own balcony where you can enjoy our breezy winters in Miami. A little bit cold compared to summer, right? But if you're from New York or somewhere else, of course, it's not that cold. I'm originally from Russia, but I've been here 16 years, so I'm already used to warm weather. Generous size of the bathroom, you have standalone bathtub, 2 sinks, steam room, shower, double showers. Also, sometimes I do have those requests from the clients when they would love to have double showers to make sure it's a great size room. And of course, you have lots of built-in closets. Let's go, guys, and take a look at the outdoor areas and views on the canal. Guys, in Florida, if you have a house, you must have few things. Your own pool, summer kitchen, beautiful trees. You should buy a waterfront house to make sure you can park your own yacht right here. So guys, once again, that was 168 Fiesta Way. House is 6,950,000, 4,700 square feet, 10,800 square feet lot, 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 2-story, media room, lots of beautiful trees, fully renovated, kitchen, flooring, bathrooms, everything. Guys, if you have any questions, you can send me a message or put your comments right here below. If you already subscribed, guys, like, and I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye. Hug. Guys, if you'd like to stay updated with all real estate trends in Miami market, as well with every new development projects, subscribe to our newsletter. We have weekly emails with every detail on what's happening in Miami.